Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp voice messages problem on iPhone or Android phone. So guys, if you are unable to make or use voice messages on your WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android phone, here I will give you the tips which will help you to fix this issue on your WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. So guys, the first way to fix this issue is that you have to simply make it sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. So guys, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, then you have to simply make it sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you must be using the latest version of your software on your device as well. So guys, if you're using Android device or iPhone, then you have to simply make sure that you're using the latest version of software on your devices. So guys, this is the second way, and the third way is that you have to simply allow microphone to your WhatsApp from your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android phone. So guys, here you can see this, I am using Android phone. Let me go to the settings first to allow microphone to use on WhatsApp. So guys, you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to simply go to your apps, and then you have to go to WhatsApp, and from here you have to go to permissions, and then you have to go to microphone, and from here you have to allow microphone to your WhatsApp from here. So guys, here you can see this, I have allowed this, and hopefully this will work for you and you will be able to use your microphone or voice messages on your WhatsApp very easily if you allow this to your WhatsApp. So guys, these are the way which you can follow to fix voice messages issues on your Android phone or your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.